morning dear students, welcome back to the class. We are studying our lesson number 3, that is playing with numbers. Okay, we are studying our lesson that is playing with numbers. Okay, what we have studied in a previous lecture, we have studied about the divisibility, test for divisibility, in which two numbers we have completed. We have completed up to the digit 2 and 3, that means the divisibility by 2 and the divisibility by 3. Okay, we have what is the divisibility by 2, what is the property or the rule, or what is the divisibility by 2. So if we have to find out if the given number is divisible by 2 or not, what we have to check? We have to check the unit place of it. Okay, so if in the unit place there are the digits, which digits? If there are the digits 0, 2, 4, 6, 8. If there are the digits 0, 2, 4, 6, 8 in the unit place of a number, then that number is divisible by 2. Then that number is exactly divisible by 2. Okay. So if you have to find out or check whether the given number is divisible or not, you have to check the unit place of 8, and if there is a number 0, 2, 4, 6 or 8 in the unit place, so you can say that the given number is divisible by 2. Okay, after that there is a divisibility by 3. And what is the divisibility by 3? Divisibility by 3, हम अगर किसी नंबर को चेक करना है कि that number is divisible by 3 or not, how will we check? We check it by adding the digits of that number. If we are adding the digits of that number, and if the sum of digits is a multiple of 3, and if the sum of digits is a multiple of 3, so we say that the given number is divisible by 3. क्या कहते हैं हम? जो भी नंबर गिवन होता है, सपोज योर नंबर इज 5, 4, 3, 8. Your number is 5, 4, 3, 8. So if you have to find out the given number is divisible by 3 or not, so you add all the digits, that is 5 plus 4 plus 3 plus 8. You add all the digits, that is 5, 4, 3, 8, and if the sum, if you find out the sum, what will be your answer? Your answer is 5 plus 4, that is 9. 9 plus 3 is equals to 12, and 12 plus 8 is equals to 20. Sorry. 5 plus 4 is equals to 9. 9 plus 3 is equals to 12. Okay, sorry. Here you have to write now sorry. 5, 4, 3, 1, 2. So if you add all the digits, what will be your sum? 5 plus 4, that is 9, and 9 plus 3 is equals to 12, and 1 13, and 2 15. So the sum of all your digits is 15. So if you find out the digit, that is 15, again add this, or you can check it directly, either this number comes in the table of 3 or not. आप इसे चेक कर सकते हो डायरेक्टली, अगर वो 3 के टेबल में आता है, that means क्योंकि 15 3 के टेबल में आता है, that means this number is divisible by 3. If the given number is not coming in the table of 3 and it is a 2-digit number, then add it to a single-digit number. आप यहाँ इसे ऐसे भी कर सकते हैं कि 15 आने के बाद 1 plus 5 कहाँ से आया? 15. 1 plus 5. So you can find out 6, and 6 comes in the table of 3. So we write it, the given number is divisible by 3. Now we are going for the divisibility by 4. Okay. We completed up to the 2 tests. Now we are going for the third one. Okay. So your third is divisibility by 4. Divisibility by 4. divisibility by 4. So if you have to check the given number is divisible by 4 or not, how will you check it? You check it by dividing the given number or not. अगर आप किसी नंबर को, अगर वो नंबर बहुत बड़ा है, सपोज 2 3 4 5, ओके, 2 3 4 5 2 is your given number and you have to tell me either this number is exactly divisible by 4 or not. What will you do? You divide it by 4 or you can go with the divisibility. Okay, so the better or the best thing is we can go with the divisibility. If we know the divisibility by 4, we can directly tell either this number is divisible by 2 or divisible by 4 or not. So what is the divisibility of 4? Divisibility of a 4 is if in the given number the last 2 digits, just like the 2, in the 2 we check only the last place. Okay है ना, हम लोग जब 2 का डिविजिबिलिटी चेक करते हैं तो हम सिर्फ लास्ट प्लेस चेक करते हैं कि लास्ट प्लेस पे कौन सा डिजिट है. ठीक है, if in the last 2 digits, जो लास्ट 2 डिजिट्स है वो या तो 4 के मल्टीपल होने चाहिए या फिर 2 3 4 00 या फिर वो 2 0 होने चाहिए. अगर किसी नंबर के लास्ट 2 प्लेसेस पे देयर आर 2 zeros, continuously 2 zeros, or if the last 2 digits of the given number, that is 52, only 52 is divisible by 4, then the given number is divisible by 4. Again I repeat it, if in the given number last 2 digits is divisible by 4, your answer is the complete given number is divisible by 4. अगर सिर्फ लास्ट के 2 digits 4 से डिवाइड हो जाते हैं तो आपका नंबर पूरा कंप्लीट नंबर 4 से डिविजिबल होगा. सो 52, 4 ones are 4 and in the remainder 1 you write it down the 2. So 4 3s are 12. So your answer is the 52 is divisible by 4. So this complete number is divisible by 4. Okay, and in the second example, since in the last 2 places there is 0, so this number is also divisible by 4. अगर किसी नंबर के लास्ट 2 प्लेसेस पे वो नंबर है जो 4 से एग्जैक्टली डिवाइड होता है या लास्ट 2 प्लेसेस पे 0 है, तो वो नंबर आप बोल सकते हो कंप्लीट नंबर. आपको चेक करने की जरूरत नहीं है, आप बोलोगे कि वो 4 से डिविजिबल. ओके, नाउ आफ्टर दैट, after the divisibility by 4, we get divisibility by 5. We take the divisibility by 5. Okay, so what is the divisibility by 5? Okay, so tell me the table of 5 first. आप मुझे सबसे पहले क्या बताएंगे? 5 का टेबल. What is the first table? 5 ones are 5, 5 twos are 10, 5 threes are 15, 5 fours are 20, 5 fives are 25, 5 sixes are 30, 5 sevens are 35, 5 eights are 40, 5 nines are 45 and 5 tens are 50. So this is the table of 5, and if you can notice in the unit place of all the multiples of 5. Okay, so these are all the multiples of 5, and in all the multiples of 5 in the unit place there are only 2 digits, either it is 0 और 5. आप अगर ध्यान से देखेंगे 5 का टेबल जो कि है मल्टीपल्स ऑफ 5, you can say that in the unit place, if यूनिट प्लेस में या तो क्या है 0 है या 5 है. ठीक है, अदर देन दैट वहाँ पे दूसरा कोई भी नंबर आपको यूनिट प्लेस पे नहीं मिलेगा. दैट मीन्स यू कैन से दैट द multiples of 5 in the unit place there is always either 0 or 5, and this is the divisibility of 5, और यही होती है divisibility of 5. So what is the divisibility of 5? The divisibility of 5 is if the number ends means unit place. Okay, ends means last वाला place जहाँ पे वो खत्म हो रहा है. If the number ends in 0 or 5, then that number is completely divisible by 5, or you can say that either it is how much lengthy number it is completely divisible by 5. So the example for this is 15, 20, 0, 50, 5, 61, 29, 0, 44, 5, 3, 5. All these numbers are divisible by 5. Without calculating, we can say that they all are divisible by 5 because in their unit places there is a digit 5 or 0. So here you can say that if in the number there is a 0 in the unit place, अगर आपके किसी भी दिए हुए नंबर में यूनिट प्लेस पे 0 है तो आप ये बोल सकते हो कि वो नंबर 2 से भी डिविजिबल होगा और वो ही नंबर 5 से भी डिविजिबल होगा. Why? Because in the divisibility by 2 we also say that if in the unit place there is a digit 0, we can say that the number is divisible by 2. Okay, so now after that divisibility by 6. Okay, divisibility by 6. So what is the divisibility of 6? Okay, so you know the two divisibility tests, that is divisibility by 2 or divisibility for 2 and divisibility by 3. Okay, आपको दोनों ही याद है, divisibility by 2 and divisibility by 3. So what is the divisibility of 2? Divisibility of 2 is if in the unit place of any number, if there is a number 0, 2, 4, 6, 8. Okay, what are the numbers? 0, 2, 4, 6, 8. Either this digits is in the unit place of a given number, we can say that the number is completely divisible by 2. Okay, and what is the divisibility by 3? Divisibility by 3 is if we add the digits of a given number, if we add the digits of the given number and if the sum of that digit is a multiple of 3, or we can say that if the sum is exactly divisible by 3, then we can say that the given number is divisible by 3. So the divisibility of 6 is if the number is divisible by 2 or 3, 2 and 3. ठीक है, अगर कोई नंबर 2 और 3 दोनों से डिवाइड होता है, दैट मीन्स दोनों की डिविजिबिलिटी फॉलो करता है. ठीक है, if the number is divisible by 2 and 3 both, okay, then the number is divisible by 6. Okay, so अगर आपको कोई नंबर गिवन है, if there is given any number and if it will follow the divisibility by 2 and divisibility by 3 both compulsion है. ठीक है, ऐसा नहीं हो सकता है कि अगर आपको जो नंबर दिया गया है वो 2 की डिविजिबिलिटी फॉलो कर रहा है बट 3 की नहीं कर रहा है, दैट मीन्स दैट नंबर इज नॉट डिविजिबल बाय 6. बट अगर वो 2 की डिविजिबिलिटी एज वेल एज 3 की डिविजिबिलिटी दोनों ही अगर फॉलो करता है, देन यू कैन से दैट द गिवन नंबर इज डिविजिबल बाय 6. Then you can say that the given number is divisible by 6. So the examples are, so The examples for these are 8, 3, 5, 2. 8, 3, 5, 2, 2, 6, 7, 6. 2, 6, 7, 6. In these case you can say that 8, 3, 5, 2. ऐड करो, सभी डिजिट्स को ऐड करो. 8 plus 3 is equals to 11. 11 plus 5 is equals to 16, and 16 plus 2 is equals to 18, and 18 is divisible by 3, or you can say that 18 comes in the table of 3. So this number is divided by 3. Okay, and since in the unit place there is a digit 2, that means it is divisible by 2 also. ठीक है, तो ये 2 से भी divisible है, 3 से भी divisible है. So we can say that 8352 is divisible by 6 also. ठीक है. In the same way 2 plus 6 is equals to 8. 8 plus 7 is equals to 15, and 15 plus 6 is equals to 21, and 21 is comes in the table of 3. So we can say that it is divisible by 3. It is divisible by 3. Okay. Now it is divisible by 3, and since in the unit place there is a digit 6, that means this number is divisible by 3 also. Oh, sorry, 2 also. So we can say that it is divisible by 2 and 3 both. So it is divisible by 6 also. So we completed the divisibility by 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay. The remaining divisibility test we will take in the next lecture. Till then, bye. Have a nice day.